What's up guys, Josh here of Tech, and our friends over at Logitech sent us this mystery box for us to check out. Alright, so let's open this thing. Alright. So, what do we got here? Ooh, okay. So we have a cap, we have a nice shirt over here. Just put that on the side. We have a drawstring bag over here. So we got the Astro A40 plus MixAmp Pro. So it says here that it's compatible with PC, Mac, PlayStation 4, it's mod kit ready, and it's also tournament ready. Let's open the box. Open that box over here. Ooh. Alright, I see what you're doing. Okay, so it looks like we got a really nice box over here with some really nice details and graphics. We got a robot here and a robot there. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh. Okay, so we have the headphones over here and we have the amp over here. Wow, these look really good. All right, so headphones, amp, and what else do we have? Of course, we have the warranty. Okay, so we got the mic over here and should fit in like that. There we go. And come on. Oh wow. Wow, it's pretty good. It feels good. Ears feel comfy. Mic's here. Not bad. What? I think so. I mean, yeah, there we go. Okay, so that's what Logitech meant by that. You could put it on the left or right side. Either side is fine. So if you want your mic on the left side, you can do that. If you want it on the right side, that's possible as well. Okay, so let's put that down again. What else do we have here? So we have a 3.5mm jack. Okay, so we get a proprietary cable for the amp. And what else do we have? We have a standard micro USB. The micro USB pairs up with the amp and powers it on. Optical here, the proprietary cable here, micro USB, the PS4 to PC switch. So you could switch from PC to PS4. No Xbox, sorry. 3.5mm jack, another 3.5mm jack, and another proprietary cable. Yeah, on the front side we have the main 3.5 here. And then above we have the volume control. So on the left side we have the actual main volume, and on the right we have the MixAmp. So if you want your game louder, I guess you switch it there, and if you want your voice to be louder, put it on over here. All right, we're gonna hook this up to our PC and gonna give you guys some first impressions. Hey guys. Okay, so we're here now in our PC, and we got GTA 5 running. And let's just check it out, how it works and how it sounds. Alright, okay, so over here we have the game voice balance wheel. Over here we have the EQ button. Up here we have the Dolby and audio source button. And then over to the left side we just have your volume dial. Yeah, it's just plug and play, so you don't really have to download any software. It kind of just installs automatically. And yeah, so now I'm playing GTA 5 right now, just like any other. As I'm playing this game with these headphones on, I could really feel like the immersive experience that I'm experiencing right now. Having these headphones on helps me appreciate the sound design of the game. Since they're open back headphones, you could actually hear where the sound is coming from. So like right now I'm in a police car, and behind me like I could really hear like people chasing me. We're on the PC mode right now, but as I said earlier, you could switch this to the PS4 version, but switching it to the PS4 version on the PC won't really get you any sound, so let's just put that back. Okay guys, so the Astro A40 is pretty good. By the way, the people over at Logitech want to let you know about Logi PH Rewards app. It offers rewards and special promos for Logitech customers whenever you purchase and register your Logitech products. It's a one-stop app to check out Logitech's latest products and see which of their partner outlets you can purchase them from. You can track all your activities in the app with a history menu. But most of all, the app lets you choose your gift and win gift vouchers up to 500 pesos, which you can use as discounts when you buy Logitech or Logitech G products. You can also get raffle entries for a chance to win Logitech Grand Raffle. The app is available for both Android and iOS. So that wraps this video up. Leave a comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This is Josh and I'll catch you later.